Many hair sellers will be like this. Where can I buy hair? I am so scared of scammers. So, must I pay to have a hair vendorist? My answer is no. Hi guys, I'm Jenna from K Hair. Today I will help you to have a way to check if a hair vendor is fake or real. First one, check on social media. Authentic hair supplier will have their own website, Facebook page, YouTube, and other channels which are updated very often. It's an undeniable fact that reliable company will do live stream very frequently. And more, you should check the number that you are chatting on their website to make sure that they are come from a reputation place. Number 2, make a video call with the supplier. It is necessary to make a video call to confirm that the guy that you are talking to is real. You ought to recommend to make a video and tell them to show you the hair. Number 3, get feedback from other people. For example, if you want to place an order from K Hair Vietnam, you can search about K Hair Vietnam review to check some feedback of some hair sellers. Furthermore, you can ask the friend who has bought hair to get an advice. We all understand that international purchase has more risk than domestic purchase. But if you have good knowledge and be careful, it's a good way for you to buy hair at cheap price and resell to make more money. Thank you for watching.